It is noteworthy to recall that some 5 or 4 years back, they entered this institution as neophytes, and today they will march forth as responsible and enlightened young men and women to seek their own places under the sun. They will be carrying already with them the global brand Luzonian, a trust mark of excellence. Mr. President, be that as it is, I strongly recommend that they be inducted into the University of Luzon Alumni Association.
Acting upon the recommendation of Dr. Dolores Castillo, our University Human Resource Officer, and after having duly satisfied all the requirements pertaining to your respective courses, I hereby declare you members of the University of Luzon Alumni Association with all the rights and privileges thereto pertaining. As new members of the UL Alumni Association, let us therefore affirm our pledge of loyalty to our alma mater. As a graduate of the University of Luzon, I do hereby solemnly swear that I will maintain true faith and loyalty to my alma mater, that I will strive to keep and protect a secret trust, her good name and traditions. I will dedicate myself to the ideals of service. I pledge to do my best to pass on to my fellow men the benefits and blessings of a college education, which I have earned from the University of Luzon, so that I might be able to contribute, even in a meager way, to the enlightenment of the needy and to help the progress of the Republic of the Philippines, thereby provide prosperity among our people and country. I do solemnly affirm in my honor that I will perform my duties as a good alumnus of the University of Luzon, as a citizen of the Republic of the Philippines. I promise upon myself these obligations voluntarily without any mental reservation. So help me God. Class 2024, congratulations!